In many cases, garage door repair is not as easy as it seems. Simple tasks like lubrication or tightening hardware can be done by homeowners, but complex repairs often demand professional expertise. Broken springs, malfunctioning openers, and misaligned tracks are common issues that can pose safety risks if not handled correctly. Springs and cables, in particular, are dangerous to repair without proper tools. DIY-friendly tasks include lubricating parts, tightening bolts, and cleaning photo eye sensors. These simple fixes help maintain your garage door's performance. However, spring replacement, cable repairs, and opener motor issues should always be handled by trained technicians. Attempting these repairs on your own could result in serious injury or property damage. Professionals in Haltom City understand local factors like climate and equipment wear, ensuring the right approach to repairs. With access to specialized tools and parts, they guarantee safe, lasting results. By knowing when to DIY and when to call a pro, you protect your home, family, and investment. When in doubt, trust a local garage door repair expert like Family Christian Doors.